Hello everyone, myself Pushpendu Ghosh. Welcome to my fifth project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Its name is Network. It is one kind of social media website where we can post anything, we can follow anyone, like or dislike anyone. So without login, we can find all posts. Like here is the name of the user, here is the body, it is the time and how many people like and dislike it. Here also a register page where we can register using your username, email address, password and confirm password. We can log in using username and password. Let's log in. After login, we can find the login username here Rahul. All post, following and logout button. Here one can write new post. Like if I type like and click post button, it will show that you have added post successfully. It shows the newest post at the first, like in this, so it is a new post and time, also date, and in the first page it contains total 10 posts, like 1 2 3 4. And after that one should click next button to go next page, and here the extra post contains, and here is also a button to go to previous page. Like if we click it, we go back into the previous page. Also if the user create a post, he can find a edit button, or if he does not create a post, he can find a like button. So one can like by clicking this. Like if I click it, it will turn into red, and this counter will become 1, and it shows that I like it. And I also can dislike it by clicking this button. Next time it turns into black color, it means I dislike this and its counter becomes 0. For myself post, it has a edit button. If I click it, it will show my message body, and I can edit it. Like and if I click update, then it shows that do you want to update post? Okay, you have successfully updated post. Okay, and it shows that the post has been updated. If I click the username, it will show the profile details of username. Like username is Rahul, email ID is that how many people is following him. He have 2 people following him. His all post, like this is a new post, my last post with 0 likes, and other post with 1 likes and 1 likes. And if I click to anyone's username, it will redirect to that person profile, like his username, email ID, total following person, here is 4, and all his posts. We can unfollow by clicking this button, and it shows that you unfollowed him successfully, or follow by clicking this button, and this counter is changed automatically. In following also, we can find only the following person's post. Like I am only following Sumon, and if I go back and follow Pushpendu, follow, then in following I can find Pushpendu's post as a Sumon post. Also we can log out by clicking this button. That's all about network. Thank you.